Kailyn Groski. I'm a graphic design major at Doane University, and for my senior capstone project, I decided to create an app called Let's Cook. For me, a difficulty that comes with cooking is not knowing exactly what I'm doing and not knowing the recipes off the top of my head. This digital recipe organizer is used to keep all of your recipes organized in one spot with special features to help you along the way. My inspiration for this project was not only me, but my family as well. I come from a big family, and we do Sunday dinners every week, and we get together and have a big meal together. My grandma will make her famous dishes for all of us, and it's a chance for us to come together as a family and create more memories. And now that I am here in college and have a house of my own and can cook for myself, I tend to try to create those recipes myself, and I don't remember them off the top of my head like she does because she's been making them for years. So for me, I wanted to create something that takes all of my favorite recipes from all over and organizes them in the same spot. So it'll be easier for me to not only learn the recipes, but learn how to cook and get more comfortable with cooking. Family dinner is important to me because it's a chance for all of our family to come together and create more memories together. I put all of my grandma's recipes in a Google Doc, which makes it hard to search and know what I want to make, which is a mess. My solution for this problem was to create the app called Let's Cook. This app helps you organize all of your recipes into different categories for easy searching. The app will allow you to put in recipes 3 different ways. First is you can take a picture of the recipe, like your grandma's recipe cards, and upload it into the app. The second way is to take a recipe that you like from another website and import it into the app. The third way you can put your recipe into the app is by typing it in by hand. Once you import your recipe into the app, it organizes it for you by different categories such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and drinks. Another way to find recipes through the app is to search keywords such as chicken, so you can find meals to make with ingredients you have on hand. Once you find the recipe you want to make, it will first show you the ingredients. Then you can go to the directions in how to cook, and the ingredients are only a swipe away. From the ingredients list, when you're ready to cook your recipe, you can prepare yourself by clicking on the different ingredients to add to your grocery list for easy shopping. When cooking, there's no need to jump between apps because we have a timer feature which allows you to jump page to page and keep the timer in the bottom corner. We're even here for your meal planning with our in-app calendar, which allows you to link recipes for each day. Every new startup needs a brand. This is no different. This app is aimed towards a younger demographic, those who are just learning how to cook for them to get more comfortable. This is why I chose a more moody approach for the design, and I chose colors and this script typeface to create a welcoming environment. Creating this app has really helped me focus on user interactions. I even conducted research to ensure that every decision was user-focused. I hope you all enjoyed my project. After graduating Doane University, I hope to continue learning and getting a career in UI/UX.